Okay, class. Okay, new project, and we choose the URP project. Okay, because URP is a medium project. Nah? It's not so high definition and not so low definition. It's the medium one. Okay, if your computer very slow, also no issue lah. Okay. Okay, so for this one project, you can write something like, what's your project? So I'm type the speech as okay tutorial. So for 14 November 2025. Okay, you can rename whatever. So this one no issue. You can have your own name. Okay, so we just search here, we type the recording. Okay, just see is it our recording working or not. You try yourself can because I'm record the video, it not allow me to do recording. Okay, you search for your recording and see your recording, okay, working or not. That's the video recording. Okay, normal video recording. Okay, so now, okay, goes to your window, package management, and goes to package manager. I repeat, window, okay, package management, and package manager. Okay, click this one, and you have this. Okay, so this one, okay, you can see an add button here. You click this add button, click this. Okay, install package from this. Okay, install package from this. So you go to unzip your file. Okay, this is your file, right? This is your file, right? Okay, this is your plugin. Okay, and then this is your file, right? Open. Okay, open the package. Open this com.whisper.unity. Okay, this is a direction. Okay, this is a direction class. Okay, start from here. Plugin, this one start from here. Okay, so this is your direction. After you unzip it. Okay, until you see this package JSON file here. Okay, you select this one. Okay, this direction. I repeat, this is your plugin, right? You unzip it, right? So open package com.whisper, then this package. Okay, click open. So wait for it. Okay, now I'm closing it. Close it. Okay, so this one goes to your project here, and this is your asset. You open your asset directory here. Okay, now go back to your plugin. Go back to your plugin. See where do you put your plugin. Okay, this is your plugin, right? Open this. Okay, open the asset bar. Open the asset bar. Okay, this copy these two files, samples and the streaming asset. Okay, so this is the path. Go Whisper Unity Master, Whisper Unity Master / asset. Okay, this is your plugin, right? Okay, this is your plugin. Open, goes to your asset and copy these two, samples and streaming asset. Okay, copy these two lah, okay, you just drag and drop to your asset here. Okay, or you can open here File Explorer and copy paste also can. Okay, Or you also can do like this, show exposure and paste it in your asset here. Okay, so now you have your samples and also your streaming here. Is it okay? Okay. Then, okay, now you can try with the samples. Open the samples, open the microphone, double click this one. Okay, you can start running for this template. Okay, so now you get the errors here. He say that your input using Unity input class. So means that you input got issue lah. You need to go to edit. Okay, go to edit. Okay, goes to preference. Okay, goes to preference and search for the players. Sorry, not preference, project setting, sorry. Edit, project setting, goes to players, and you will see the other setting here. You will see this okay, you will see this other setting, go down, you will see this active input handling here. Active input handling. You will go for your tab, okay, player, other settings, rendering here. Okay, you go to this active input handling. Okay, go this one and you have choose the both one. Okay, can you click apply. Okay, so done already, it will restart. Okay, it will restart. Okay, now we test our system. Okay, you go click this one, debug, play this one. Okay, you click the record button. You can say, hello, how are you? I'm sorry, I forgot to put my earphone. Button. You can say, hello, how are you? Sorry, I forgot to put my earphone. Okay, no. Okay, so he will detect what you are talking about that. Okay.